In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add filters to collection pages on Shopify. First, open your browser and go to shopify.com. On the homepage, click Login. Sign in with your email or using a single sign-on provider offered on the page. After you authenticate, if you manage more than one store, pick the store where you want filters. Next, open a new tab and head to apps.shopify.com. Search for the Shopify Search and Discovery app and install it on your store. Approve the permissions when prompted. It's the official app for storefront filters and search. Once the app is installed, open it from your admin. On the app home, find filters, then click Customize Filters. This is where you decide which options appear on your collection pages and in search results. For best results, make sure you're using an online store 2.0 theme or a theme that supports storefront filtering. Most modern themes do. Click Add Filter to create your first option. You'll be asked to choose a source. Sources can come from built-in product data like availability, price, product type, or vendor. Variant options such as size or color, tags, or product meta fields. Choose the source that best matches how your catalog is structured. If you already use consistent variant options for things like size or color, select those. If you rely on tags or meta fields, ensure the values are clean and standardized so customers don't see duplicates or misspellings. Now configure the filter label, logic, and values. The label is what shoppers see in the sidebar or drawer, so keep it short and clear, like color or price. The logic controls how the filter behaves. A price filter typically uses a range. Availability is a simple toggle. If you're using meta fields, confirm the definition type matches how you want it filtered, for example, numbers for ranges and single line text for lists. You can also hide values with no matching products to keep the interface tidy. When you're happy with the setup, click Save. The filter will be added to your storefront filter set. You can return here anytime to add more filters, adjust labels, or change the order to put the most important choices first. After saving, visit a collection page on your storefront to preview the result. If you don't see filters, check your theme settings to make sure filtering is enabled on collection templates. That's all you need to add filters to your Shopify collection pages using the Search and Discovery app.